Garrett Road railroad crossing. I believe this is Garrett Road railroad crossing in Clarksville, South Carolina. This is right down from Sharpton Road railroad crossing. It's just this is the next crossing down. So let's start off the first signal. It's got a Western Coal and Hayes base. Western Coal and Hayes gate mechanism. Western Coal and more Gen 1 Western Coal and Hayes gate mechanism. Lights. Rico gate lights. Oh, and the dot tag. It's got the old and new. Here's the dot tag. The dot number is 633766F, and the milepost is AK-483.46. And the bell for this crossing is another Western Coal and Hayes mechanical bell. And yeah, there's a look at that signal. And here's the relay case. It says SR88, so I'm guessing that's what the State Route 88. And it says no trespassing, CSX private property. That's right, it's the CSX McCormick subdivision. It also has SR88 on that side. And so yeah, there's the relay case for the crossing. As you can see, it has the light on. So that means if the light's on in the little thing, that means that the crossing is still active. And there's a little switch here. You can see that it has 2 tracks, and it has a 2-track sign, but you can barely see it. It's up there. So there's where the switch is. As you can see, it says green. And it's just not but a little thing down there. That way is looking toward Sharpton Road. That way is looking toward some other crossing. And it's looking toward, what's the next town? I forget what it is. Oh, I forgot. There is a mixture here. It's got a mixture of federal up there. It's got a mixture of Western Coal and Hayes Gen 1s and a federal signal 12 by 24 inch lights. Federal Signal Western Coal. It's like the same company. So Western Coal and Hayes and Federal Signal merged together. As you can see, this one has a wooden grade. This is the main line right here. This track is the main. Here, that track is the main line. This is like a little siding. See, there's the track. There's the switch right there. Now here we are at the other signal. The other signal is very close to the road. There's the post office. It's got a Western Coal and Hayes base, but if you look over on this side, you can see it has WRS on it, which is very weird. But yeah, WC Hayes / WRS base. It maybe was a WRS base before it was a Western Coal and Hayes base. But anyway, Western Coal and Hayes gate mechanism. Gen 1 Western Coal and Hayes gate 12 by 24 inch lights. Let's see, the gate lights are more Rico gate lights. Same dot tag. And yeah, this is the Garrett Road, what is believed the Garrett Road railroad crossing, and also the SR 3388 railroad crossing in Clarksville, South Carolina. Over and out.